Guru.
Hi, I'm Miss Mallika from AOLA DIY, and today we will be learning how to make these amazing Diwali Diyas with the help of little
Ruhaan.
So let's go over the material list. What we will need is some papers, all colorful, school glue, scissors, a pencil, crayon in yellow and orange, a katuri or a bowl, and a lid. So we have 4 colors here, Ruhaan. Can you tell me which all colors they are?
Yes. Lal, red, blue, neela, hara is green, it's gulabi, it's pink.
So we'll take a lid, and using a lid we'll make 6 circles on our paper. So Ruhaan, let's make a circle.
I already did a little bit of half.
Okay, so for a circle, how will you make a circle, Ruhaan?
You
Start here, go
draw.
halfway,
And then draw the
other half from the other side.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, and make 6 circles on one paper. So now with the help of an adult, cut these circles out.
एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः.
So let's fold this into half, okay, and into another half. So one red, one blue. One red,
One red,
one blue.
one blue.
So Ruhaan, can you put some glue here?
That.
What it is called in Hindi?
Katori.
Very good. So press it. Okay. So now we will set it dry for 5 minutes. So we will stick these 2 parts. So let's put some glue. Now we will stick these 2. So with the help of an adult, let's make a flame. And cut this
it
out.
And then we're going to color them out.
Very good, Ruhaan. Let's color this with yellow and orange. Ruhaan, where will this flame go?
In the middle, right?
Wow!
here.
So we will take some glue,
And
put
glue.
some glue here and put it in the middle. So we have 2 diyas here and Ruhaan made it. Happy?
Diwali.
Get our best-selling Diwali book on Amazon worldwide. If you like this video, don't forget to hit
Subscribe.